Hello everybody, Houston's Ghostface here, and today we're going to be going over how to remove pink stains and whiten up your masks. Now we're going to achieve these results through really weird means. As you'll see, we're going to go ahead and remove the pink from this mask here using acne treatment. We're also going to go ahead and whiten up this Gen 2 mask using denture cleaner. Today's information was passed down by fellow community member Robbie Felton, so if you were able to get any use out of today's video, make sure to type "Thank you Robbie" in the comments down below. Today is also our first sponsored video, so please make sure to stay till the very end so you can see some of the coolest kicks that are available right now. Now, when I first went ahead and recorded the video, I started with the wrong treatment. Do not use this one here. This bottle is very similar, but unfortunately it does not achieve any of the results that we were trying to get in today's video. The one that is a shiny, like metallic purple blue is not the blend that you want to get. It will not get rid of the pink stain. As you can see, it is still visible here on the cheek. This is the proper bottle. It's going to be in a white box, and on the back in the ingredients you will see that it says Benzel Alcohol. Once you have this one, you can pop it open and take a look at the bottle, and you'll see that this one is a white bottle with a nice little pink circle that says visible results in just 4 hours. Make sure you have gloves when you're applying this, as I have been told it can dry out your skin, so unless you want to have lizard hands, make sure you're wearing some form of hand protection. Now we're going to apply this directly onto our pink spot and rub it in. Be very careful of getting this on your shroud. I was very carefree when I applied mine, and unfortunately it left some white marks on my shroud, so be a bit more careful. I was unsure whether or not this would affect the shroud, and since this is my tester mask, I figured I'd be the one to find out for you. After applying the treatment to the mask, you can leave it out in the sun, or you can do the route that I took and use a high-powered UV lamp. I used a 395 NM powered lamp, and it went ahead and removed that pink spot overnight. In this close-up here, you can see that the spot is completely gone. Next, we're going to go ahead and move into our whitening treatment, which we're going to be using this Polident Smoker's Daily Cleanser tablets. Now, these come in packs of 6 when you take them out of the box, and that is the perfect amount that we want for our mask. Now today I'm going to be using my Generation 2 mask that I got off of eBay a while back. This had a very strong smoker's smell, so I figured it'd be perfect for today's experiment, and you can see that it has a little bit of browning and yellowing done to it. Now, like I said earlier, 6 is the perfect amount, so we're going to want to go ahead and open those up and drop them into a pot that is filled with hot water. Now, it's important that I say that we use hot water, not boiling water. We just want it hot to the touch, but we don't want it too hot. Now, once all 6 of your tablets have dissolved into your water, you're good to start dunking your mask right into it. Once you have it completely submerged, you're then able to leave it in the water for about 15 minutes and then come back and check on the process. If you want to leave it in there a little bit longer, you can. 15 minutes seemed to get a good whitening treatment for me, and adding a little bit of additional scrubbing with either a toothbrush or a towel is ideal to get any excess grime off. Now here you can see the results, and it is significantly whiter than when we first showcased it earlier on in the video. A lot of the brown stains that we saw towards the bottom of the chin are now significantly lighter, and I think after multiple baths it'll become even cleaner. Now that's the end of the tutorial, which brings us to today's sponsor. We'd like to go ahead and thank Gav Customs, who released his Scream Ghosts shoes. Now these shoes are completely custom made, and the little ghost design that is on the shoe is actually designed by my good friend Glow Ghosts. You should definitely check out their work, and feel free to go ahead and look at any of the other shoes that are in Gav's catalog. Now Gav's Scream Ghosts have a 2-side design with one side bloody and one side clean. They also have these nice little ghost face ghosts on the side, which is Gav Customs' logo with a nice little Scream twist. Now you can go ahead and use code GHOST10 on your order to go ahead and save you some money, and it also goes and helps support the channel. Now these shoes are probably some of the comfiest customs that I own, and I'm incredibly grateful to own a pair of these, and I'm excited to be getting his Chucky drop that's coming out soon. With that, I hope today's video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you all in the sequel. Take care. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. If you want to see more content like this, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe, and click the little bell icon if you want to stay up to date with the latest tutorials that I'll be posting. If there's anything that you'd like to see me go ahead and make a tutorial video on, feel free to let me know in the comments. Links to all the products that I used in today's videos will be posted down below in the description, as well as where you can go ahead and purchase those shoes by Gav Customs.